BP Logix Process Director Online Training. What is BP Logix Process Director and how does it streamline business processes? BP Logix Process Director Overview. BP Logix Process Director is an intelligent business process management (IBPM) and workflow automation platform designed to help organizations improve efficiency, compliance, and visibility into business processes. It combines workflow automation, business rules, predictive analytics, and AI-driven decision-making to streamline operations and enhance digital transformation. How Process Director streamlines business processes. Low-code, no-code workflow automation allows business users to design and deploy workflows without extensive coding. Drag-and-drop interface for building forms, rules, and process flows. Predictive analytics and AI integration uses machine learning and predictive analytics to anticipate workflow bottlenecks. Helps organizations take proactive actions to improve efficiency. Process timeline trademark symbol technology. Unlike traditional BPM tools that rely on static workflows, Process Timeline Trademark Symbol dynamically adjusts to real-time changes in process execution. Provides a Gantt chart-style view of workflows with real-time status updates. Business Rules Engine automates decision-making using business rules to enforce policies, compliance, and best practices. Ensures repeatability and standardization of business processes. Seamless integration with enterprise applications. Connects with ERP, CRM, HRM, databases, and cloud applications, example SAP, Salesforce, SharePoint. Supports RESTful APIs, SOAP, and webhooks for custom integrations. Compliance and auditability. Provides audit trails, version control, and compliance tracking for industries like healthcare, finance, and government. Helps organizations meet GDPR, HIPAA, and SOX compliance requirements. Mobile and cloud-enabled. Fully accessible from mobile devices and cloud environments. Supports remote workforce collaboration and approvals on the go. Case management capabilities. Enables adaptive case management for handling dynamic, nonlinear workflows. Ideal for incident management, legal case handling, and customer service processes. Intelligent decision making. Uses AI-driven analytics to suggest process optimizations. Automates manual, repetitive tasks, reducing human error. How to design and automate workflows using BP Logix Process Director. Designing and automating workflows in BP Logix Process Director involves creating, managing, and optimizing business processes to improve efficiency and compliance. Here's a step-by-step guide to achieve this. 1. Understanding BP Logix Process Director. BP Logix Process Director is a low-code, no-code BPM platform that allows organizations to build and automate business workflows. It offers Smart Forms, Drag-and-drop form builder. Process timeline, predictive analytics-driven workflow engine. Business rules engine, automates decision-making. Integration APIs, connects with external systems, CRM, ERP, databases. 2. Designing workflows. BP Logix offers two key models for workflow design. A. Using Graphical Workflow Designer. Drag and drop tasks, approvals, and business logic components. Define transitions between steps using conditions and triggers. Assign users or groups to workflow tasks. B. Using process timeline, predictive workflow. Define task dependencies instead of sequential flows. The system dynamically adjusts based on real-time conditions. Automatically reorders or accelerates tasks based on business events. Example, employee onboarding process. Step 1. HR fills out an onboarding form. Step 2. System automatically assigns training courses. Step 3. IT is notified to provision a laptop and access credentials. Step 4. Manager gets notified for final review. Step 5. Employee receives a welcome email. 3. Automating workflows. A. Configuring business rules. Set conditions. Example, if invoice amount $10,000, route to CFO. Use decision tables to define complex rules. Implement auto-escalation for delayed tasks. B. Notifications and alerts. Configure email SMS notifications for pending tasks. Send automated reminders for due or overdue actions. What are the key features of BP Logix Process Director for business process automation? BP Logix Process Director is a business process automation (BPA) and workflow management platform designed to help organizations streamline processes, improve efficiency, and enhance compliance. Key features include 1. No-code, low-code development. Drag-and-drop interface for process design. Visual workflow modeling with minimal coding required. Integration with external applications via APIs and connectors. 2. AI-driven predictive analytics. Process timeline trademark symbol technology for predictive analysis. Automated decision-making based on real-time data. Workflow optimization using historical and current trends. 3. Workflow automation and process management. Sequential and parallel workflow automation. Role-based access control for process participants. Real-time monitoring of workflow progress. 4. Case management. Dynamic case management with rule-based triggers. Unstructured and structured data processing. Flexible workflows adapting to changing conditions. 5. Compliance and governance. Audit trails for regulatory compliance, HIPAA, GDPR, etc. Automated document control and approvals. Built-in security and encryption features. 6. Integration and connectivity. Supports REST and SOAP APIs for system integration. Compatibility with ERP, CRM, and HRMS platforms. Pre-built connectors for Microsoft, Salesforce, SAP, and more. 7. Mobile and cloud capabilities. Responsive design for mobile access. Cloud-hosted or on-premise deployment options. Offline access with data sync capabilities. How to implement predictive analytics in BP Logix Process Director for smarter decision-making. Implementing predictive analytics in BP Logix Process Director enables organizations to make data-driven, intelligent decisions by leveraging historical and real-time process data. Here's how you can do it effectively. 1. Define business objectives. Identify key decision points where predictive analytics can add value. Define measurable KPIs, example process cycle times, risk scores, compliance adherence. 2. Collect and integrate data. Gather structured and unstructured data from process directors, process timeline, databases, and external sources, CRM, ERP, IoT, etc. Use data connectors and APIs to integrate real-time data. 3. Leverage process timeline for predictive insights. BP Logix's process timeline already provides a predictive view of workflows based on historical data. Use it to anticipate delays, compliance issues, or process inefficiencies. 4. Implement machine learning models. Integrate AI ML models, Python, R, TensorFlow, for more advanced predictions. Train models using historical process execution data to forecast outcomes like process bottlenecks, resource allocation optimization, fraud detection, risk assessment. 5. Embed predictive analytics into workflows. Use decision rules and business logic to automate actions based on predictions. Implement conditional triggers that proactively adjust workflows based on risk scores or anticipated delays. 6. Real-time dashboards and reporting. Leverage BP Logix reports and dashboards to visualize predictive insights. Enable real-time alerts for deviations or potential issues. 7. Automate smart decision-making. Utilize process directors' rules engine to take corrective actions automatically. Example: if predictive analytics suggest a delay in approval, trigger an alternative route. 8. Continuous monitoring and model optimization. Continuously refine ML models using feedback loops. Improve accuracy by incorporating new data and adjusting algorithms. What are the best practices for managing case management with BP Logix Process Director? Managing case management with BP Logix Process Director effectively requires a combination of best practices that ensure efficiency, compliance, and streamlined workflows. Here are some key best practices. 1. Define clear case management objectives. Identify the key goals and requirements for case management. Understand the life cycle of a case, from initiation to resolution. Define the expected outcomes and KPIs. 2. Leverage process timeline trademark symbol for adaptive case management. Use process timeline trademark symbol to manage cases dynamically. Ensure real-time tracking of case progress. Automate task execution based on dependencies and conditions. 3. Implement smart forms and dynamic rules. Utilize smart forms to capture case data efficiently. Configure dynamic business rules to automate case routing and escalations. Ensure conditional logic is used to adapt workflows dynamically. 4. Automate workflows and approvals. Define workflow steps with automation in mind. Implement escalation rules for SLA adherence. Automate decision-making with AI-based rules where applicable. 5. Ensure compliance and auditability. Use BP Logix's built-in audit trails to track case activities. Configure compliance-based workflows that adhere to regulations, example HIPAA, GDPR. Enable case history tracking for accountability. 6. Enable role-based access and security. Define user roles and permissions to restrict access to sensitive case data. Implement multi-level security controls for authentication and authorization. Utilize BP Logix's integration with identity management solutions. 7. Integrate with external systems. Connect BP Logix with CRM, ERP, document management, and analytics platforms. Leverage APIs for seamless data exchange between systems. Automate case updates based on real-time data from integrated applications. 8. Provide real-time case insights and dashboards. Use BP Logix's reporting and analytics tools for case monitoring. Implement visual dashboards to track case status and performance metrics. Set up alerts and notifications for pending or overdue cases. How to integrate BP Logix Process Director with third-party applications and databases. Integrating BP Logix Process Director with third-party applications and databases can be achieved through various methods, including APIs, web services, direct database connections, and middleware solutions. Here's a structured approach to achieving seamless integration. 1. API-based integration, REST SOAP. BP Logix Process Director provides a REST API and SOAP web services that allow integration with external applications. Steps. Identify the required API endpoints in BP Logix and the third-party application. Use REST API for lightweight and modern integration or SOAP for legacy applications. Implement authentication, OAuth, API key, or basic auth. Use API calls to fetch or send data, example, retrieve process data, trigger workflows. Automate actions using webhooks to notify external systems when an event occurs in BP Logix. Example: triggering a BP Logix workflow from an external system. Make a POST request to BP Logix API with workflow initiation parameters. 2. Database-level integration. BP Logix can interact with databases such as SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, and PostgreSQL. Steps. Use ODBC JDBC connectors to establish a connection. Configure custom SQL queries within BP Logix to fetch or update data. Create stored procedures to automate data synchronization. Implement database triggers to capture changes and initiate BP Logix processes. Example use cases. Synchronizing employee records from an HR systems database to BP Logix. Fetching customer orders from an ERP system and initiating workflows. 3. Middleware and iPaaS integration. For complex integrations, using middleware like MuleSoft, Dell Boomi, Apache Camel, or Microsoft Power Automate can streamline data exchange. Steps. Connect BP Logix with middleware using API or database connectors. Define ETL, extract, transform, load, rules for data flow between systems. Schedule and automate batch jobs or real-time event triggers. 4. Direct file-based integration. BP Logix supports integration via CSV, JSON, XML files. Steps: configure file import-export workflows within BP Logix. Use SFTP, FTPS, or cloud storage, AWS S3 Azure Blob, for file exchange. Automate processing with scheduled jobs. How does BP Logix Process Director ensure compliance and governance in workflow automation? BP Logix Process Director ensures compliance and governance in workflow automation through several key features. 1. Audit trails and reporting. Maintains a comprehensive audit trail for all workflow activities. Logs user actions, document modifications, and approval steps. Generates compliance reports to meet regulatory requirements. 2. Business rules and policies enforcement. Implements predefined business rules to ensure workflows follow governance policies. Provides automated decision-making based on compliance guidelines. Prevents unauthorized actions through rule-based controls. 3. Version control and change management. Tracks workflow versions to ensure consistency and accountability. Implements change management policies to prevent unauthorized modifications. Allows rollback to previous workflow versions when needed. 4. Role-based access control, RBAC. Assigns user roles and permissions to restrict access to sensitive processes. Ensures only authorized personnel can approve, modify, or view specific workflows. Supports integration with single sign-on, SSO, and directory services, example Active Directory. 5. Regulatory compliance support. Helps organizations adhere to regulations like HIPAA, GDPR, SOX, and ISO 9001. Implements industry-specific compliance templates for faster deployment. Automates compliance reporting to reduce audit risks. 6. Process timeline for predictive compliance. Uses AI-powered predictive analytics to anticipate workflow risks. Provides real-time monitoring of compliance gaps and delays. Ensures timely approvals and escalations to prevent regulatory violations. 7. Electronic signatures and approvals. Supports digital signatures for authentication and approval tracking. Ensures compliance with legal standards like FDA 21 CFR Part 11 for electronic records. 8. Integration with external compliance systems. Seamlessly connects with external GRC, governance, risk, and compliance platforms. Synchronizes data with ERP, document management, and auditing tools. Why choose ProExcellency for BP Logix Process Director online training? ProExcellency is a leading provider of virtual and corporate training, specializing in IT consulting and professional online education. They are committed to delivering quality services and are equipped with subject matter experts and professionals to help candidates pursue their interests. ProExcellency offers advanced online training, flexible commercial models, competitive billing costs, and a strong management team. They have a proven track record of customer satisfaction and long-term relationships. ProExcellency. While BP Logix offers a comprehensive suite of self-paced, online training courses for Process Director, designed for non-programmers and tailored to various roles such as system administrators and implementers. BP Plodge. ProExcellency's specific offerings for BP Logix Process Director online training are not detailed in the provided information. Given ProExcellency's expertise in virtual training and IT consulting, they may offer specialized or customized training programs for BP Logix Process Director that align with your specific needs. To obtain detailed information about their BP Logix Process Director training offerings, it is advisable to contact ProExcellency directly. Thank you.